From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. In fact, we're going right on the 3 o'clock bell right now. You know what we're going to call this video? We're going to call it Wednesday's S&P Downer, because that's what happened. The stats didn't work out, and the late day sell-off, the S&P hit stops, and down we went. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1893 even early in the day. The low came in at 82.20 recently, and last we're 1883.30. We're down 11 handles. Total volume 1.2 million minis, but I want to point out something. 190,000 of that came from GLOBEX. There's no volume here. We don't know what the hell's going on with this. And a total of 5,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, we had 190 million to buy. We got a boatload of economic releases here. It's going to take me a couple minutes to get through this. Tomorrow we have the consumer sentiment number. We have the jobless claims number. We have the Empire State Manufacturing number. We have William Dudley from the Fed speaking. We have the Treasury International Capital number. We have the Philadelphia Fed number. Philadelphia Fed survey, We have the housing market index. We have the e-commerce retail sales number. We have the EIA Nat Gas numbers, the natty gas numbers. And then we have the Fed balance sheet, money supply, and Janet Yellen speaking. Whoosh. Anyways, look, the Expo Stats for tomorrow show Thursday being up 17, down 13 of the last 30. And then Friday, stats show it up, the S&P being up 14, down 16 of the last 30. Here's been my thought process throughout the week. I thought the S&P was going to, if it got above 1888, it would be a quick run up to 1893. And then after that, I thought that there would be a push up toward 1900. It didn't take place. What happened here is everybody thought that the S&P was going to go to 1900, 1910. You can see it on the internet. You can see it on CNBC, and you can see it on Twitter. And you know what I call that? I call that boat too full. And that's exactly the type of trade we're having here. It was a low volume grind to the downside. It shouldn't be anything that we didn't expect, because the S&P has obviously been up. Well, not obviously, but the S&P has been up 4 out of the last 5 days. So with that in mind, a little bit of a breather, and then we'll start going back up. We're going to leave it like that. Overall, been a pretty quiet day, and we'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.